Hey guys, so I'm just going to jump right into this video where you see me cleaning up. I'm just going to do a voiceover for this part of the video, or pretty much throughout the whole entire video. So here I'm just cleaning up my little baking area so I can start my baking process, and I'm going to be going on and moving forward with some bacon. So today is Saturday, and I have some cake orders that's coming up for the following week. Sorry, and I am going to be getting that out of the way. And I'm going to be using a clear bowl so you can see everything I'm doing. All right, well, it looks like I'm on a walk to the store to get some goddamn pudding because I can't make my cupcakes without some pudding, okay? So I'm en route to the store. It's walking distance, so I'm just hurrying up trying to get there. Hopefully they have some. If not, oh well, because I ain't going nowhere else. All right, so I got a couple things on my agenda today. I'll post a to-do list somewhere on the screen. All right. All right, so I found the pudding. Now we can go back home. Aha, yes, perfect. All right, so now that I've made it back from the store, I am going to start my baking process, and that is all the ingredients that I'm going to be using here. I am just making a plain vanilla, French vanilla cake, and I'm going to be greasing my pan, starting my oven, and placing my parchment paper at the bottom of my cake pans, and I'm washing my dishes. If you do not use Clorox to wash your dishes, you trifling, honey. You're trifling, okay? Here I am just going to be doing some pretty much relaxing. I love watching Jay Majette. Her name is Jayla Majette, if you guys don't know. Here I made a vision board for 2023, and I just put that all over my screensaver in my phone so that I can keep track of my goals that I would like to accomplish for 2023. Here I am going to be taking a shower, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite soaps, which is the Dr. Bronner's. My favorite one is the Rose, which is this one. And my ultimate favorite is the peppermint, which is the blue one. Now, if you've never used the peppermint Dr. Bronner's, honey, that thing's gonna leave you clean, okay? You're gonna feel like you done ate a piece of gum and drunk some cold water afterwards, all right? It's not for the weak. I'm just trying out this new soap that I've gotten as a gift from Bath & Body Works. It leaves my skin super moisturized, which I'm totally surprised at. Here I am now going to be just wrapping my cakes up and putting them back in the pan and placing them in the freezer. Now, 2 hours later, I drove all the way from Philly to DC so I can take the Soca and Sweat class.
That's a whole roll in itself. You guys can do things with your arms. Up, here. Just go. Hands in the front, lie down, please. Thank you. Up and this, and he's gonna say click back at me. So that's.
Okay, so now when I tell you this class worked you out, I follow her page on Instagram. Pretty much that's where I was introduced to the class. My girlfriend invited me to take the class with her, and I volunteered and said yes. I'm thinking I was just gonna go and bust a wine and do a little, 1-2 step here, 1-2 step there. When I say that my thighs were burning, feet was burning, I was sweating in places I never sweat.
2, 3, not 2, whatever. So that's 8. So 4 squats, 2, 4, 6. What? What am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Yeah, like I said. Head, knees, ankle, knees, okay? That's the first one. Then we're gonna follow up with the butt kicks. 4 counts.
I was breathing heavy, but I had a great time, okay? These squats right here, this was the killer, because she had us do it like 10 times. So, I just tried to fall in line and, pick up wherever it is that I left off. And you see me sweating, I'm just like, look, I'm ready to go home at this point, okay? I'm ready to go home. But I enjoyed myself. The class was $35. She goes from state to state. So you can type it in on Instagram, Soca and Sweat. That's what it's called, Soca and Sweat.
Double, okay? So after one pop, you follow by another pop, double, okay?
Baby, the way my legs is trembling right now, you would have thought I got me some good at that, okay? Some hella good, the way these legs are shaking while I'm walking, all right? Child, that shit look way easier on Instagram than in person. I ain't never been so thirsty in my life. So thirsty in my life. Throat burning. But Jesus. Great class though. Great class. Okay. Great class. Oh. I'm hungry. I didn't eat anything all day. It is now, what time is it? 5.
All right, so after the class, me and my girlfriend went to Carolina Kitchen. We went to go grab us something to eat. This is what the menu looks like. I've never came to this place before. I've always heard about it, but just by the looks of the restaurant, I just never really proceeded to have dinner or lunch or anything here, but it was the closest thing to us at the time. So I decided, hey, why not? Let's go see what the food is like. Okay, now this is a sweet tea that I got. This sweet tea was a 10 out of a 10. All right, okay, so this is me just here, just browsing on my phone, checking my Instagram feed, seeing what's popping and what's not popping, just pretty much just trying to kill time. So here we are getting our food. This was the honey cornbread that they gave us. I ordered some yams, some chicken and shrimp, and some collard greens. Now the food was delicious. Now I would say the yams was an 8 out of 10. The collard greens was a 10 out of 10. But the chicken and shrimp, I would give that a 4 out of 10. Now the sweet tea they had me. I'll go back for the sweet tea anytime. Okay. So here I told these people that it was my birthday. I lied to them and told them it was my birthday so they could sing happy birthday to me. Every day I wake up is my birthday, honey. Okay, it's a blessing.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
say. I know I didn't get to finish vlogging yesterday because my phone died. But sis, yesterday was such a great day. The class that I did was really amazing. I'm sure you guys probably can't hear me, but once I'm about to get in the shower, get myself together, I'll jump back in and take you guys back up, okay? Okay, so this is one of my favorite places to eat when I am in the DMV area. I like to get 3 tacos on corn tortilla, okay, not flour. And I love to get the fish tacos. Pretty much you can, you know, pick your own protein, pick your own salsa and toppings. I love the hot sauce. It's very hot. It's very hot, but it's super flavorful. Okay, so I like to add cheese on mine. I like to add pico de gallo, sour cream, pretty much whatever your basic, you know, flavors are for your taco. And I'll go ahead and just place my order. Now, this place can be a little pricey, but you know, it's worth it. It's worth it. Okay, so here me and the kids are just roaming the mall. Honestly, I haven't seen Charlotte Russe in forever. Okay, the store Charlotte Russe. I haven't seen it. All right, guys, so I'm here. I'm at the mall right now.
Yes, sir.
With the kids, the family. So we're just up here kind of killing time. I ain't really got much to talk about right now. So, you know.
How your new phone?
It's always her. It's always her. It's always her. It's always her.
Daddy. Dad.
Yeah, ask your daddy. Ask your daddy. Ask your daddy. Whatever. Don't ask me for nothing. Ask your daddy.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your Marissa, and today we at the mall with my dad and my mom. Now, look at my outfit, y'all. Why? Why? I look good, y'all. I want to get my ears pierced. So bad. I sure did. Yeah.
Why are they always saying that? I always catch them saying that. You thought you ate.
Bruh. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Marissa, and today we at the mall with a family, I guess. And yeah, Samantha, come here. Oh shoot, my head, child. Wait, you were trying to be like, it's okay.